to Humus or Hummus. This is the game of chance. It's actually a smell game. So what we do is we take our victim slash contestant slash willing guest and we have them determine, is it humus or is it hummus, through a big smell test while blindfolded.
All of you that don't know the difference, we have our two elements, humus and hummus. Humus is actually what you find in the ground on the forest floor. It's made up of organic material. That's what brings bacteria into your soils, makes your plants thrive. And hummus, of course, is that party favorite. You eat with pita chips or tortilla chips, or you smear on your chicken.
Everything. All foods. And pieces.
Okay, so to start with, we need to blindfold Sean.
Yeah, but hold on. Before we blindfold Sean, tell us about yourself. Who are you and why the hell are you here?
I'm Sean.
That's even better. Okay, Sean, let's go ahead and get that blindfold on him.
Okay.
Okay,
No, but
dip your hand.
Dip the hands!
Dip the hands, dip the next hand, and now start to smell it. Smell. Oh no, no. How about this one? How about
This one? This one?
yeah?
Oh.
Are you okay? No? What? Do you? So the funny thing about Sean. Oh God! Got it! Oh my God! Oh dear God! Oh dear God! This is falling apart.
Okay, which one is in your right hand, Sean? This hand here. Which is this one?
Humus?
Now let's see before you take it all off. Go ahead and give both hands a big whiff. Both hands are real nice. Just get at it. Just try it. Try a little more. Try a little more. No. Are you sure? How about a little more? Okay. All right. Well, you know what? Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us for another game of Humus or Hummus. And hi, Sean. I hope you feel okay about yourself in the end. I don't know. How do you feel? Tell us your experience. Is
That was so gross.